Alright guys, let's get this video done for Brian. He's got to give a friend a bird. Somebody's getting a Firebird, someone getting a Thunderbird. And let's get our list right here. We've got a 1 through 33. We've got 10 redraws in here as well. I've got them listed on the side. And your start time's coming in at 12:12. Got 3 pages of proof. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's jump on over to random. There's your green lock. It's secure. There's a refresh. We've got 1 through 33. Get your list of redraws right here. Alright guys, good luck. 9. 9 is not a redraw. Alright, let's get some winners. The winners are coming in at 12:13. Who had lucky number 9? 9 is going to be Micah and Flores. Congratulations, guys. Nice win for both of you. And your end statement is coming in at 12:13. Thanks, everyone.